Hi everyone! Today we're going to uncover 20 amazing, fascinating facts about animals that you may not already know. From the tiniest creatures to the giants of the animal kingdom, we've got it all. So grab your binoculars and let's start exploring. Number 1. Polar bears may look all snow white, but here's the twist. Underneath that pristine coat of fur, their skin is actually jet black. The black skin absorbs and retains heat from the sun, keeping these incredible creatures warm in the frigid Arctic temperatures. It's just one of those amazing adaptations that make polar bears the true kings of the ice. Number 2. Did you know that hippos have their own secret recipe for sun protection? Hippos produce a special kind of sweat that isn't watery. It's more like a thick, reddish-orange substance that keeps hippos cool and acts as a natural sunblock. So while we reach for sunscreen bottles, hippos have their own built-in defense against those UV rays. Mother Nature's got them covered. Number 3. Have you ever heard of dolphins getting high? Scientists have observed them nibbling on pufferfish, passing them around like a party favor. But here's the thing. Pufferfish contain a toxin that can be pretty mind-altering and give the dolphins a buzz. Who knew the ocean had its own version of recreational activities? Number 4. Imagine having eyes all around your head. That's what it's like for dragonflies. Their eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses, giving them a 360-degree view of the world. They can spot prey, predators, and potential mates all at once. Dragonflies are the true masters of multitasking. Number 5. Octopuses have not one, not two, but 9 brains. One in their head and a mini brain in each arm, helping them coordinate their many movements. They also have 3 hearts, 2 for pumping blood to their gills and 1 for the rest of their body. But did you know that their blood is blue? This is because it's full of copper, not iron like ours, which helps them absorb oxygen even in the icy depths. Number 6. Ever wonder how reindeer navigate those dark, wintry nights? During winter, a reindeer's eyeballs actually turn blue to help them see better in low light. This is because blue eyes scatter less light, allowing more of it to hit the retina and capture those precious glimpses of food or predators in the dim Arctic days. So when Rudolph leads the way on a frosty night, it's not just his nose that's lighting the path, his blue eyes are helping too. Number 7. Did you know that some snails can sleep for up to 3 years? So why do they need such a long nap? Well, snails are masters at conserving energy. When conditions get tough, they hunker down and enter a deep sleep called estivation. They seal themselves inside their shells, reduce their metabolism to a crawl, and wait patiently for better days. It's like having a superpower nap. Number 8. Adult mayflies hold the record for the shortest lifespan on Earth, which is 24 hours. In fact, some species only live for 8 to 10 hours. Why? Well, it's all about making the most of their time. Mayflies start as underwater nymphs, and when they become adults, they've got just one goal: to find a mate and lay eggs. It might sound short to us, but for mayflies, it's all about seizing the moment. Number 9. Did you know that blue whales' tongues can weigh around 3 tons? That's as much as the weight of a car or a small adult elephant. This comes in handy when you're the largest animal on Earth, because you need a hefty tongue to slurp up the massive amounts of krill you eat every day. It's like nature's ultimate buffet tool, a massive, efficient tongue to satisfy a massive appetite. Number 10. Ever wonder why rabbits have those adorable floppy ears? Well, they're not just for looks. Those big ears are actually like Mother Nature's air conditioning system. You see, when rabbits get warm, they can't sweat like us, so they release excess heat through their ears. Blood vessels in those ears expand, allowing heat to escape and cool them down. It's like having built-in air conditioning. Number 11. Did you know that honeypot ants can swell up to a huge size by storing food inside their bodies? They gorge themselves on nectar and sugary trees when food is abundant, and their bodies balloon to store it. When times get tough, they share their stored food with the colony members. It's like having a pantry right in your own belly. Number 12. Did you know that an ostrich's eyes are actually bigger than its brain? It's true. These flightless giants have some of the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, and it's all about survival. Ostriches live in the wild African savanna, and with predators lurking about, having excellent eyesight is crucial to spot danger from afar and escape any potential threats. So in the world of ostriches, big eyes are definitely brainy. Number 13. Ever heard of otters holding hands while they sleep? It's not just a cute bedtime ritual, it's a survival strategy. Otters live in groups called rafts, and when they nap, they link up to stay together. Rivers can be swift and unpredictable, and they don't want to drift away from the safety of their family. So by holding hands or paws, they create a raft of otters and look out for each other. Number 14. Get ready to be mind-blown by camels, the desert's hydration heroes. They can guzzle up to 50 gallons of water in just 1 minute. This helps them survive in arid landscapes. Camels have super-sized stomachs that can store massive amounts of water, keeping them hydrated for days and even weeks as they traverse the scorching deserts without breaking a sweat. It's like having a built-in water tank. Number 15. Here's a wild fact for you. Koalas have fingerprints that are practically twins with ours. Yep, those cute, cuddly marsupials share this intriguing similarity. But why? Well, much like us, koalas have unique patterns on their fingertips, which help them grip the branches they live in. Koalas are the ultimate tree huggers of the animal kingdom. Number 16. Did you know that butterflies can actually taste with their feet? It's not as weird as it sounds. Tiny chemical sensors called chemoreceptors on their feet help them detect the chemical composition of leaves and flowers, which lets them know if it's a suitable spot to lay their eggs or if it's a tasty nectar source. Number 17. Yaks have some amazing adaptations for the mountains. First off, they have a massive lung capacity, allowing them to inhale more oxygen from the thin air at high altitudes. But it doesn't stop there. Their red blood cells are smaller and they've got larger hearts, a combo that ensures efficient oxygen transport throughout their bodies. Number 18. A cockroach's brain is actually located in its body, not its head. That means that they can survive even if their heads get cut off. How, you ask? Well, their brain primarily controls their movements, so without it, they don't feel pain or hunger. Also, vital functions like breathing and movement are controlled by nerve clusters in their bodies and not their heads. So without their heads, they can still eat, move, and survive. It's like having a backup brain in their body. Number 19. Halibut, those flat-faced ocean dwellers, have a fascinating gender twist. Some halibuts start their lives as males, and then as they age, they can actually switch and become females. As females, they produce more eggs, which is a smart move for sustaining the population. And last but not least, number 20. Ever wondered why zebras have those striking black and white stripes? Well, it's not just for fashion, it's nature's bug repellent. Those stripes are like a natural insect shield. Research suggests that the contrast between light and dark patterns confuses and repels blood-sucking insects like flies and mosquitoes. The result? Fewer bites for the zebras and a more peaceful day at the savannah spa. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the world of animals and their mind-blowing facts. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing animal videos. And of course, share your favorite animal facts in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.